charged with a DUI in Hall County, the very first thing that you need to do is first take a breath. You've likely been through a very stressful experience. Most of the people who get charged with DUIs are not folks who've been to jail before. You're not the type of folks that go to jail. This is a new experience for you, and it's an awful experience you've been through. So take a breath. Second thing you need to do is reach out to a local Hall County defense lawyer to represent you on your DUI. Do your research, check into the folks that are available out there here in Hall County, and call someone with experience that can help you navigate this unusual, unknown territory. If you don't get a local Hall County DUI lawyer, you may get someone from out of county or someone from another jurisdiction. They often advertise here within Hall County. They may not know the players, they may not know the parties, they may not know the court personnel, they may not know how things function, they may not know the personalities, and that could be a concern moving forward. May not be, but it could be. Typically, you want to have somebody who is familiar with the waters, familiar with the players, knows the parties, and knows how things function in the local jurisdiction. The best Hall County DUI lawyers are those folks that are specializing in DUI law. They're reading the cases as they come out. They're up to date on what's new, what's happening now, and all the changes that are happening in DUI law, which DUI law is always changing. It's constantly evolving. It takes a lot of effort, a lot of time to stay up to date with that. You want someone who's an expert, who focuses on this area. If you don't get somebody who does that, you could miss out. You could miss an issue in your case, which could win your case. And that's what it's all about when you have a DUI. You want to win your case. That's what it's about. A DUI lawyer in Hall County and in any county really can be an expensive undertaking. There was an old billboard in Atlanta many people saw that was up for years. It said you just blew $10,000. And what they were talking about really was the cost of a DUI, not necessarily the lawyer. The cost of a DUI is tremendous, even taking the lawyer out of it. If you get convicted of a DUI, the cost is incredibly high. First of all, you're going to be required to get what's called SR-22 insurance for at least 3 years in Georgia. You wouldn't normally have to have that kind of insurance unless you have a DUI. You're going to pay at least $300 up to $1,000 in fines. You're going to pay probation fees, which could be around $40 or $50 a month. You're going to pay court costs, which could come out to $300 or $400 per case. You're going to pay for a risk reduction DUI class that you'll have to take. That's a couple $100. You're going to pay in your time because you're going to have to do 40 hours of community service. These are just some of the costs that are associated with a DUI conviction.